If your deployment breaks production, you are doing it wrong. You push code, deploy, and suddenly everything crashes. Here are 7 deployment strategies every developer should know. Recreate deployment. Stop the old version, start the new one. Simple, but causes downtime. Rolling deployment updates servers one by one. No downtime, but mixed versions can cause bugs. Blue green keeps two environments. You switch traffic instantly, and rollback is just one click. Canary releases to a small group first, then gradually scales. This is how big companies avoid disasters. Feature flags let you deploy code, but control who sees it. No redeploy needed. A/B testing shows different versions and lets data decide the winner. Shadow deployment runs in the background with real traffic without affecting the users. And always have a rollback. If you can't revert fast, you are not production ready. Deploy smart, not fast. Follow Coding with Chan for more tech related videos.